SriLankan Airlines welcomed an Airbus A330-200 wide-body aircraft that arrived from Paris. The aircraft, bearing registration number 4RALT, performed a low flypast over Colombo and Katunayake before touching down at Bandaranaike International Airport, BIA. This latest addition brings Sri Lankan's fleet to 23 aircraft, reinforcing the airline's commitment to fleet expansion and paving the way for greater operational flexibility on long-haul routes as it prepares for future growth amid rising passenger demand.
We can see a nice bright, it's getting brighter by the day, light flickering at the end of the tunnel, which is getting brighter, but we could make it even brighter only with 100% support and commitment of all these 6,000 plus members. Board of Directors is committed to achieve this task where we had undertaken to make this airline a pride of this nation as a national carrier, where not only you, your families, your children, where all your children can with their chin up and say that my father or my mother working at SriLankan Airlines, and even for every Sri Lankan to be proud of this organization as a national carrier.
For more latest news, subscribe to FTTV.